Introducing Google's Pixel 9 Pro Fold, a foldable that combines style, innovation, and the best of Google's software expertise. This device is designed to redefine what you expect from a smartphone. Device and build. Google's Pixel 9 Pro Fold is thin, sleek, and built to last. Its hinge is crafted to reduce screen creasing and even water and dust resistance. This foldable is as durable as it is good looking. Display quality. The OLED screen with its 120Hz refresh rate offers vivid colors and smooth scrolling. It's big enough to enjoy movies, games, and even multitasking in split screen mode while folding down to easily fit in your pockets. Software and UI. With Android 14 optimized for foldables, you'll experience seamless multitasking, customized gestures, and exclusive Pixel features like call screen and live caption, all designed to make the most of this unique device. Camera. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold comes with Google's celebrated camera tech. Its triple lens system captures stunning photos day or night, while Flex Mode lets you go hands-free for group shots and video calls. Performance and battery. With Google's Tensor G4 chip, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold handles everything you can throw at it, from gaming to editing photos. Plus, fast charging and wireless options can ensure you have power all day long. Google's ecosystem integration. Pixel 9 Pro Fold connects seamlessly to other Google devices like the Pixel Watch and Pixel Buds, enhancing your Google ecosystem experience with features like fast pair and device syncing. Google's Pixel 9 Pro Fold isn't just a phone, it's a powerful, portable device designed for today and ready for tomorrow. Want to join the future of mobile tech? Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more updates.